Okay, this episode is another cooking episode out in the boondocks, camping, no hookups. This is going to be about how to save $625 a year by making your own French fries over a fireplace. Okay, or you don't even have to do it over a fireplace. I mean, over your stove or whatever. If you're the condition is if you're like eating at fast food restaurants, you know, for your lunchtime breaks and stuff, you're going to McDonald's or Burger King or whatever, and you're buying their French fries. And a large order of French fries is like $3 to $4 now. Then if you make your own French fries, it's really simple. It doesn't cost much. It's one of the easiest things to do. I'm going to go into that in this video, and that will save you $625 a year just to make your own French fries. So I just made a campfire here. I got some coals going now, and I just put in one fry just to make sure it's ready. Okay. Now what you want to do, if you like crispy fries, you want to, okay, after you cut them or slice them in the slicer, I'm going to show you my slicer. You want to dry them out. I did one batch here. I dry them out for 2 hours after you cut them. You see I kind of layered them. I put them right on the dashboard of my car, pointing towards the sun. And in 2 hours, they'll be a lot of the moisture will be out of them, and they'll fry within 8 minutes. I'll stick these in just to show you. You'll see that they turn a little color. You know, they get a little color to them. I'm going to put these in. Okay. Only takes 8 minutes after they've been dehydrated, basically. Okay. And the slicer is only $15 for one of these potato slicers to make French fries. And the peeler. It takes like, 60 seconds to peel a potato. And then you just put your potato in here. It's all peeled. And then you just basically push down. Done. Done deal. Okay, there's your fries, all cut. That's simple. 60 seconds. You'll save $625 a year if instead of eating French fries at the fast food places. Just wait until supper time and make them at supper time instead. And that's just French fries. I mean, can you imagine how much you're going to save if you start making your own lunch instead of going to fast food? So I'm going to throw these in too. These will take, because they're not dehydrated, these are going to take about 20 to 25 minutes. And they still have that kind of mushy consistency. I like my fries to be crispy. So anyway, I'm going to throw these in too. Okay. And let's mix that up a little bit. Separate them a little, because these are going to cook a lot quicker than the ones I just put in that haven't been dehydrated. They literally will take 3 times longer, and they still just don't get that nice crispy, the way I like them, is crispy. And they'll cook real quick too. So I'm just it's a little windy out, and I'm starting to, let's put that on here. Okay, and like I say, these are only about $15. Simple and easy. Takes 60 seconds to peel a potato. Potatoes, like I just bought a 5-pound bag of russet potatoes for $2.50. So you're dealing with 20 cents a potato, and that's equivalent to a large order of fries at McDonald's, which is like $3. So I figured if you're going to fast food 5 days a week, your French fries are going to cost you $60 a month, versus if you're doing it yourself like I do, it's only $4 a month. That's assuming you're eating them, you know, for 5 days a week. You're having fries, or you could do baked potatoes too. I love baked potatoes. But this episode, like I said, you can see how fast the dehydrated fries are turning, nice and crispy. Versus, look at these, they haven't even started. Takes a long time. So I recommend, like I say, put them on your dashboard in your car, close the windows, and 2 hours on average is what I found. If you go 4 hours, you're gonna literally have potato chips. you're gonna be too dehydrated. So you gotta experiment. 1 to 2 hours is what I recommend. Okay, and that's just a natural campfire. It didn't cost me any money. And what else did I want to say? You know, the cost of the utensils, the slicer and the peeler is like $20 total. So you'll make that back, pay for that in 10 days if you start making your own fries, you know, at home. So I guess that's about it for this episode. Just one last shot, and those fries, literally the ones I dehydrated for 2 hours on the dashboard of my Jeep, are about ready already, versus the recently sliced potato, which, like I say, will take 20 to 25 minutes. It takes about the same time as this if you had an oven. I don't have an oven, so, but you know, if you put them in an oven, it's still going to take you 20 to 25 minutes. But just leaving them out to dehydrate for just 2 hours, and they'll cook in 1/3 the time. So anyway, thought you'd like to see that episode. I'm just doing different episodes related to cooking out in the boondocks, with almost no cost, no fuel costs here, and I'm getting a $3 to $4 order of French fries for 20 cents. Okay, this is Eagle Eric, out in the deserts of California, signing off.